Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Photomath on computer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser and then download the latest version of BlueStacks that is available. And once you download and install it, what you need to do is open up the BlueStacks and you will get something like this on your screen. Now all you gotta do is complete the setup process that is given to you, and once all that's done, what you need to do is download the Photomath latest version APK from your browser as well. Go to the Chrome and then type in Photomath APK free, and once you do that, download the latest version. And once it's downloaded, what you need to do is right click on this Photomath application, then hover over open with and then select BlueStacks app handler. And once you do that, the file will automatically be installed in the BlueStacks right here. And once it's installed, what you need to do is open up the Photomath app, and there you'll be seeing something like this on your screen. All you gotta do is complete the setup process, and once all the process is done, you will be able to use Photomath on computer. Now you can simply tap on these examples like 3x divided by 4 equals 8, and here is the solving steps. And if you need a graph, then you can just simply scroll down and then the whole solution will be available to you. And that's basically how to use Photomath on computer. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.